Hello there, I'm Doreen Velin on Process Art Discovery, and I'm here with you today just to do something a little bit different. We're going to use a straw and blow some paint on some canvas and try to do a poppy with it. We'll see what works, okay? So I'm going to first do a background. That's all I'm going to just leave in. I'm just going to leave a little bit in. I know I got the stem there and I'm covering it up, so just don't worry about it right now. So this is a background, and then I'm going to thin out my paint. And if you watch my previous videos, I did 1/3 the Floetrol and water and glue and 1/3 of paint. If you didn't catch that, just look up my last video and it'll kind of explain that to you. Don't have to be too fussy here because I'm going to blow this out anyway, so. Trying to make this look like mahogany, sort of a burgundy, a deep burgundy. I put brown with my primary red. Put some nice brown with it. I think it was I used burnt sienna with a primary red. And putting a bit like a burgundy background here. Trying to look kind of woodsy. Remember, it always flow from the top to the bottom. Never start halfway. That's how I get lines. Okay, let's go do my sides here. Okay, there we go. Now probably should let that dry a little bit. Boy, I'll tell you, when you're hot, when you're not, you're not. When it's hot, you sure dry it fast. Works real good. Okay. Take this line off now. Now that's my rule of thirds. So 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. And so I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a pour in this part. This is my reference picture, by the way. Hope you can all see it. Just like that. And I'm not really using that, but I'm just using it to kind of get an idea. So I did my mixing. I'm going to use my darkest color first. I'm going to do this one a bit lighter. I'd like to have a bit of a contrast. I don't want it very dark on this side. I'm almost going to do it like a whitish. So I'm going to do most of my paint on this side. If this is too light, then what I'll do is I'll use this right out of the tube on this side and keep that one in a wash, just so it is lighter. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. I'm just going to do a blob of orange here, and I'll do a blob of black. Now, hopefully this will work. Let's see what happens here. Turn it this way. Better. Okay. Now this one's not going to work because I put it right from the tube. So what we're going to do with this one, put a bit of white with it because I really want it light. I'm just going to push it around. See what happens here. I like that dot there, and just going to leave it. Off it. I want the white towards the outside, like the lighter color. I can put the dark on the inside a bit more. I'm going to just leave that white. I like it like that. Let it happen. It just happens, so let it happen. And I'm just going to put a dot of black in it. Let it happen. Let it just roll around. And I think we'll just bought some I think I'll take some bright red. Take a fan brush. Gonna dip this fan brush into my real thin paint. And just splatter it. That's it. And maybe I'll do the same with the white. Let's try the white. I'll have to put a little bit of water in it and just water it down a bit, otherwise it won't splatter very good. I tried, I use splatter once in a while with paint, and I find I have such a hard time with it. If you just water it down a bit, it works pretty good. That's enough. And I'm just going to do some black, little black stems. That's all you need. Get my rigger out, my nice little rigger here. Doesn't have to be too perfect, it's just an impression. Gonna leave it like that, just make it kind of fun. Make sure it joins up there. There. Yeah, that was fun. So it's done. So it's just a little practice on using some of this flow trowel, and I didn't put any silicone in it or anything. I just want to make it kind of funky. And I think I'm just going to push this over a little bit here. Maybe I'll just let it flow. That's better. Want some red in there. Not too much orange. And what I could do is dab some of that orange off. And the red should come out. There it is. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. It's kind of cool, eh? Good old paper towel. What can you do without it, eh? Nothing. Oh, I hated using paper towel when I was younger. Oh, I hated such a waste of paper. Oh, man. Now I use it. Oh, that's better. Okay, so there it is. I think it's done now. I like it. And just a funky little poppy. Simple little picture. Thank you very much for joining us today. We'll see you again on Process Art Discovery. Remember to click that subscribe button, and the little bell at the top. And yeah, give us some comments. We love them, good or bad. Well, not too much bad.